And so to give you guys a little bit of context, this was the problem that I was facing. I would have different sessions on different projects, and every time I started a new project or a new session, I would have to give context about who I was, what I did, what my role was, what was going to be the goal of this specific session. And I don't know about how you guys started using Claude Code, but me, this is how I started using it. Instead of my local documents folder, I created a folder that's called Claude Code. And inside of there, I started creating new folders. And inside of those folders, I would start a new terminal and start a new conversation. And each of those folders, I gave them sort of like a name that would describe what we're going to be working on. The problem with this is that every separate folder had its own Claude sort of instance or brain, which means they wouldn't communicate in between each other. Not only that, but inside of these folders, but inside of each of these projects, you can start new sessions. So you can have multiple sessions for the same project, and relevant information might not be available in between sessions. So that's two problems. And so let me introduce you to my system, my vault, how I'm using Obsidian before we jump right in and start actually building it. So I thought to myself, I already have all of these projects. I don't want to start a new project from scratch and start giving all the context to Obsidian. Why don't I just create a vault that holds all of these projects, and I have Claude Code go through each one of those projects, each of those memories, all the files, and start putting stuff and memories inside of Obsidian instead of starting from zero. So that's what I did.